Next question 21 miscellaneous exercise. Solve the following quadratic equation by using Sridhar Acharya quadratic formula. First part of 21 p square x square plus bracket p square minus q square into x minus q square. Solution. On comparing standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a equals to p square and b equals to p square minus q square and c is minus q square. You use formula Sridhar Acharya x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put the value of ABC in formula. We get minus b bracket p square q square plus minus under root of b square p square minus q square whole square minus 4a is p square and c is minus q square. To a is p square. Minus p square minus minus plus q square plus minus under root. We use identity a square minus b square. We have p square whole square plus q square whole square minus 2p square q square. And here minus into minus plus 4p square q square upon 2p square as it is. Minus p square q square plus minus under root p square whole square q square whole square minus 2p square plus 4p square plus 2p square q square upon 2p square as it is. In under root, we use given identity a square b square plus 2ab gives a plus b whole square. Here a is p square and b is q square. So we rewrite minus p square plus q square plus minus under root of, we use this identity here, we get p square plus q square whole square upon 2p square. Minus p square plus q square plus minus p square plus q square whole square. So taking common p square plus q square upon 2p square as it is. We taking positive sign, x equals to minus p square plus q square plus p square plus q square upon 2p square. Minus p square and plus p square cancel out. Q square and q square 2 times of q square upon 2p square. Therefore 2 cancel out. P q square upon p square is first root of quadratic equation. Taking negative sign, x equals to minus p square plus q square, minus p square minus q square upon 2p square as it is. Plus q square and minus q square cancel out. We get 2 times of minus 2 times of p square upon 2p square. So we have second root of quadratic equation is minus 1 of given quadratic equation. Of question number 21. Solution. We write standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. On comparing, we have a equals to 9 and b equals to minus 9 a plus b and c equals to 2a square 5ab plus 2 times of b square. We write Sridhar Acharya formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put value of ABC in given formula. Here minus b minus minus plus, so we write 9a plus b plus minus under root of b square minus 9a plus b whole square is 81 a plus b whole square minus 4ac 4 as it is. A is 9 and c is 2a square 5ab plus 2b square upon 2a. A is 9. 9a plus 9b plus minus. Here we common 9 under root 9 common. We get 9a plus b whole square 4 2a square 5ab plus 2b square upon 18. Nine a plus 9b as it is plus minus. We know that square root of 9 is 3. So 3 come out from the root. 9a plus b whole square minus 4 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square bracket close upon it 18. 9a plus 9b as it is plus minus 3 under root of. If we use identity a plus b square, we have a square plus b square plus 2ab and we multiply by 9. We have 9a square 9b square plus 18 AB. We multiply minus 4, complete bracket, we have minus 8 A square minus 20 AB and minus 8 B square. As it is. 9A plus 9B as it is, plus minus 3. Here 9A square and minus 8A square. We have A square and 9B square and minus 8B square plus B square and 18AB minus 20AB. We get minus 2AB. Nine A plus 9B as it is, plus minus 3. We write this, use identity A minus B whole square. 18 as it is. 9A plus 9B plus minus 3 times of, we take common A minus B from under root. Taking positive sign, x equals to 9A plus 9B plus 3A minus 3B upon 18. 9A plus 3A, 12A and 9B minus 3B is 6B. If we take 6 is common, 2A plus B upon 18. 1 time and 3 time. So first root of quadratic equation given by 2A plus B upon 3. Taking negative sign, we have x equals to 9A plus 9B minus 3A minus plus 3B upon 18. 9A minus 3A 6A and 9B plus 3B 12B upon 18. If we take common here 6, so we get A plus 2B upon 18. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. A plus 2B upon 3 is second root of quadratic equation. Next question number 20. X cube minus 7x plus 6 and x minus 1 are LCM and SCF of two quadratic expression. Find the expression. Given here, LCM is x cube minus 7x plus 6 and SCF x minus 1. We know that SCF is factor of LCM. So LCM completely divided by SCF. So we find divide LCM by SCF x minus 1. Step first term divided by first term of divisor. We have x square, x cube divided by x square. We multiply x square complete divisor x cube minus x square right here, minus plus x square minus 7x plus 6. Again, step second, we divide x square by x. We have x, we write here x. If we multiply x, complete division, we have x square minus x. On subtracting minus plus, this term cancel out, and here we get minus 6x plus 6. Again, step third, minus 6x divided by x, we get minus 6. Minus 6 right here in quotient, minus 6 multiplied by division, minus 6x minus plus. On subtracting minus plus minus, this term and this term cancel out. So we write LCM in form of LCM equals to x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 6. We use division algorithm. We multiply divisor into quotient, we get dividend. Here dividend is LCM. Again, x minus 1, we split x in form of x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. If we multiply 3 into 2, we get minus 6, and if we subtract 3x minus 2x, we get x. X minus 1 as it is, if we common x from here, x plus 3 minus 2 common here, x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 3 common throughout, x minus 2 as it is. So LCM write in form of x minus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2, and SCF is given this. We find expression, first quadratic expression, we know that SCF is factor of first quadratic expression as well as second quadratic expression. So we write x minus 1 in first quadratic expression and second quadratic expression. X minus 1. And we know that here we find quadratic expression, it means power is 2. So we take x plus 3 here and x minus 2 here, because if we multiply we have quadratic expression. We multiply x square plus 2x minus 3, first quadratic expression. If we multiply x square minus 3x plus 2, second quadratic expression. 21. LCM and SCF of two polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 and x plus 1 respectively. If one polynomial is x square minus 4x minus 5, then find other polynomial. We first find factor of LCM. Here given LCM is x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 and SCF x plus 1. we know that HCF is factor of LCM. So LCM always divided by HCF. So we divide LCM x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 by x plus 1. Step first, x cube divided by x, we have x square. We write x square in quotient. We multiply x square by complete quotient, we have x cube plus x square. On subtracting, minus minus, plus into minus minus, this term will be cancelled out, and minus 7x square plus 3x plus 10. Again, step second, first term minus x 7x square and first term of divisor is x. We get minus 7x. Minus 7x. Minus 7x multiplied by divisor, minus 7x square minus 7x. On subtracting, minus minus plus plus, this term is cancelled out, and here we get 10x plus 10. Again, step third, 10x divided by x, we get 10. We write 10 here, and 10 multiplied complete divisor, 10x plus 10. On subtracting, minus minus, this term and this term cancel out. We use division algorithm. LCM equals to, here divisor is x plus 1 and quotient is x square minus 7x plus 10. So we write x plus 1 into x square minus 7x plus 10, and remainder is 0, so we do not write here. X plus 1 as it is, we use middle term splitting method. We write factor of 10 split in form of minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. If we multiply 5 into 2, 10, and if we add minus 7x. X plus 1, we take x common, x minus 5, we take 2 common, x minus 5, and x plus 1 as it is, x minus 5 common throughout, we get x minus 2. So LCM is x plus 1 into x minus 5, x minus 2. One polynomial, first polynomial equals to x square minus 4x minus 5. We use middle term splitting method. We write x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. If we multiply minus 5 into 1, we get minus 5. If we add, we get minus 4x. We take x is common, x minus 5, and take 1 is common, x minus 5. X minus 5 into x plus 1 is factor of first polynomial. We know that this relation LCM into HCF equals to first polynomial into second polynomial. Here we find other polynomials, it means we find second polynomial. second polynomial LCM into LCF upon first polynomial. We write LCM x plus 1, x minus 5, x minus 2, and we write LCF x plus 1, x plus 1, and first polynomial right here in factor form x minus 5 into x plus 1. Here x plus 1 and x plus 1 cancel out. X minus 5 and x minus 5 cancel out. We have x plus 1 into x minus 2. If we multiply x square minus x minus 2, our second polynomial, it is other polynomial.